Welcome to Damn It Bags. We are back again with new design. As you can see the quality of the bag. This bag doesn't need any description. As you can see the logo of the bag. It also comes with the premium packaging. You will also get a carry bag for this bag. See. This is the carry bag. I'll just reveal the colors. We'll get 6 colors option. So this is light grey. This one is beige, purple, wine color. This is dark grey, and the universal black color. If you quickly want to know the price of this bag, DM or WhatsApp on the given number. Thank you.